What is up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to fix Discord stream loses color issue. To fix this, first you need to make sure that you have a stable and fast internet connection. Try to check this by going to an internet speed checker, which you can access by going through your browser and searching it. Next is to try optimizing your Discord settings. Open your Discord app and go to user settings or click the gear icon. Now here, click on the voice and video. Check your video settings and make sure that it is optimized for your device and network. Next, you can try to disable hardware acceleration. To do that, go over to your Discord app, then click the gear icon. Now here, look for the app settings and click the advanced, then disable the hardware acceleration. Restart the Discord app and see if the issue is resolved. Now, if the issue persists, try to restart your computer and see if it will fix the problem. If it won't fix the problem, then try to re-download the Discord app on your computer. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them below. We'll see you on our next video.